Hey, so I've been trying to make a blog, or like film a blog that was actually relatively interesting for the last week or so. Ever since we put up the first video of me and Leisha being idiots, and I just haven't really been able to do it. And so I thought I'd give it another go. Robitussin. And today my vlog is about the cool things my mum bought me because I'm trying hard at TAFE. Don't you love that? My mum's a psychologist, and she's all for positive reinforcement and all that jazz. And so whenever I am studying hard, or I actually try at something, or I do something good, she, Robitussin, buys me things as a way of rewarding me, which I think is awesome. Some people call me a child because I still get presents for doing good things, or a puppy or something. But look, if it works, why change it? Really? That's what I think. And so present one is these, which you can't see properly, but they're these really cute little lanterns that she brought, that actually my nana bought for me, because mum was going to buy them for me and then my nana did. Robitussin. And present two is two tops and a skirt, which I thought was really cool. And clothes is a reoccurring positive enforcement. Yay! Who doesn't love clothes, especially when they're free? Actually, that's a lie. Last time she got me clothes, I liked everything, except I had to take back this dress because I can't even remember why. I don't think it was that I didn't like it, but it just didn't really suit me or something. I don't know. And so I ended up getting this watch, ching ching, which was awesome. And thirdly, my third present of the day, I'm not even going to try and put that on, is this. It's Cake Hill bag, apparently. I don't really know much about Cake Hill, but I think it's really cute. And it's a bag that I can take to TAFE, so that it's big enough and everything like that. It's got a strap. Wow. There's a strap. I'm going to put something that I use in TAFE into my bag right now. First TAFE thing in the bag. Oh, shit. Anyway. Oh, and the lanterns are from Typo. Oh, they're really cute. They're like blue and they have flowers on them. So yeah, that's all my positive reinforcement for doing good at TAFE. Well, not so much doing good at TAFE, just doing TAFE, because I hadn't been to school for a while because, I was naughty or something. And so now I'm doing year 11 and 12 again, so that I can go and do psychology in uni like next year or the year after or something like that. And yes. What else? Okay, my shirt. Yeah. Edie vibes, man. I got it for my 18th birthday because we went to a Jamaican restaurant and I was like, I want a shirt. And so they bought me a shirt. Oh. And this was my own positive reinforcement to myself. Where is it? There it is. It's the Harmony Ball. It's awesome. And it jingles. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh. Yeah. So I did a test last Monday, and I handed in an English assignment on Friday, and I have another a biology assignment on Monday, which also has to be a speech, and then on Friday I have an English speech something. So it's been pretty hectic for me, going from like not doing really anything except for like 2 days of work. P.S. If you're wondering what Robitussin is, it's what you say it's what you say when someone coughs, like when you say bless you to someone sneezing. It's an ad. I'm pretty sure most people have seen it. Thanks for watching my random vlog that I thought was, moderately interesting. Probably wasn't. Whatever. I tried. That's all anyone can ask of me, I think, that I tried. Can't please everybody. But yes. Thank you for watching. Peace out, intranets. Loving you.
I wanna hold her. I wanna kiss her.
Me too. That's 4. 2. Bye.